Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prevail with Team William in India. Today, March 6, 2024. Yeah, as you can see on the Nifty setup, it has been quite good. We are trading about all the key moving averages. And there was a resistance around 22,125 few weeks back. But I think after we cleared that, we have been comfortably trading about the 21 DMA and making the fresh highs yesterday. But since I think last couple of days, we are in a very narrow range. एकदम सुस्त चल रहा है बाजार, कुछ बड़ा मोमेंटम नहीं है कोई भी साइड पे. Like we are in a very small range, especially Monday and yesterday, uh, both the days. Broadly, if you see, 21 DMA becomes very important to hold now. That is the 22,000 level. On the flip side, I think we need to move about 22,500 to move towards the 23,000. So एक बार हम अगर 22,500 के ऊपर बंद हो जाते हैं, then I think we'll be very much comfortable again on the rally. Currently, distribution day count is low, so we are not much worried about the market sentiments. But broadly, अगर global markets देखे तो कल there was some selling in the global market. The US indices were down more than 1%, all the three indexes. So global indexes might put some pressure on the Nifty. So broadly, it looks like it might not make a fresh high today. आज chances कम है कि वो फिर से 22,450 के ऊपर जाके वहां पे क्लोज हो जाए या टिक जाए. On the flip side, I think for today, the important level will be yesterday's low. We need to hold that level. So if we are able to do that, then that will be very positive for the index. On the news front, the FIIs and DIIs both were net buyers, around 574 crore by the FIIs and more than 1,800 crores by the DIIs. So this has been going really well. So RBI has barred JM Financial Products from giving loans against shares and debentures, including sanctions and disbursal of loan against IPO of shares with immediate effect. Wipro has acquired 20% stake in SD Verse LLC. This will reinforce Wipro's position as a prominent player in a software-defined vehicle and cloud car engineering services. So we have seen that there has been a very strong momentum in the Wipro since last few months, and it is changing. Like the fundamentals are improving, the growth story is also improving. Coal India subsidiary, Southeastern Coalfields, Gevra mine has been granted environmental clearance to expand production capacity to 70 million tons per annum from the current of 52 million tons per annum. So this will be, I think, one of the biggest mine now in the Asian region. So mining 70 million tons of coal per annum is not a small thing, and this will be a very big achievement for the southeastern coalfields, the Coal India subsidiary. As you can see, the global markets, there was a sharp fall in the Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq. Nasdaq especially down 1.6%. So they were extended a lot. It is not like they are in a downtrend. They are in a confirm uptrend, much extended from the averages. But Asian market, I don't think there is much selling. Shanghai, Nikkei, almost flattish here. And similarly, it's what expected for the Nifty. There is no major ups and down, you know, possible in the morning. Looks like looking at the SGX Nifty 30-40 पॉइंट इधर उधर खुलेंगे, mostly on the negative side. We might open, but not with major cuts, some 30-40 points here and there. So let's see. I think the broader market yesterday was holding quite well. So let's see today if the broader market had some correction over the last 2 weeks. So let's see if the broader market, especially the mid cap and small cap indices, can hold or outperform the Nifty. So that will be also important to watch out. Now, Macrotech Developer, this is the chart of the day, the stock of the day. The chart looks quite interesting. It has a very strong EPS strength of 93. Let me do some annotations. The price trend of 83 is excellent. Buyer demand is good. Group rank is among the top. Plus the real estate sector, the way it is growing and improving in India, that is really good. And the stock is forming a stage 2 base. So this is a stage 2 base. Here it was there was a very strong rally in the stock after the stage first base. So this is a stage 2 base. The fund holding has increased excellent. 556 funds हो गए हैं अभी. So 74% increase in the last quarter. Its last couple of quarter results have been good. Right. And overall also if you see the technical formation, तो जब ये नीचे जा रहा था देखो बेस बनने में 1200 से 1000 तक जब ये गया, ठीक है, ऑलमोस्ट 15-20% का जब ये फॉल आया, तो वॉल्यूम्स वर वेरी लो इफ यू कैन कोरिलेट ओवर हियर. ओके. एंड अभी जब वो ऊपर जाने की ट्राई कर रहा है, फिर से वो 1000 से 1200 आए, and there is a higher volume. So this is something positive. Whenever you see that the volumes are negative when the stock is falling and volumes are positive when the stock is gaining, so the base formation is good. It is just 2% to pivot. So let's see if it can break out on a higher volume, और ब्रेकआउट होने के बाद कितना सस्टेन कर पाता है वो भी देखना पड़ेगा. बट वॉल्यूम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है जब आप ब्रेकआउट देखते हो, because if you see that the breakout is in the lower volume, then that doesn't means that something very positive for the stock. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for joining. See you again tomorrow at 8:45 a.m.